Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a really important topic, one that touches so many lives: cancer. Now, I know it can feel overwhelming, and sometimes it seems like there's so much conflicting information out there. But here's the good news. There are proactive steps we can take, and one of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal is right on our plates: our diet. What we choose to eat every single day plays a significant role in our overall health, and emerging research continues to highlight its impact on cancer prevention. It's not about fear, it's about empowerment and making informed choices. We're constantly learning more about how specific nutrients and compounds in food can interact with our bodies at a cellular level, potentially strengthening our defenses against diseases like cancer. This isn't about miracle cures, because those don't exist, but it's about understanding the science-backed benefits of incorporating certain foods into a balanced lifestyle. Think of it as building a stronger internal fortress, one healthy meal at a time. The choices you make in the kitchen can genuinely contribute to a long-term strategy for well-being and risk reduction. And that's an incredibly empowering thought. So, in this video, we're going to dive deep into 7 fantastic foods that studies suggest may help lower your cancer risk. We'll break down the science behind why these foods are so beneficial, what specific compounds they contain, and how they might work to protect your body. My goal is to give you practical, actionable information that you can start using today to make a positive impact on your health. Ready to explore these nutritional powerhouses? Let's get into it. All right, first up on our list is a vegetable that many of us grew up with, sometimes reluctantly, but it's a true champion in the nutritional world: broccoli. Broccoli belongs to the cruciferous family of vegetables, which also includes cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. What makes these veggies, and broccoli in particular, so special in the context of cancer prevention is a potent compound called sulforaphane. Now, sulforaphane isn't just a buzzword, it's a sulfur-rich compound that has been extensively studied for its health-promoting properties, especially its anti-cancer effects. It's formed when the broccoli is chopped or chewed, triggering an enzymatic reaction. Think of it as unlocking the broccoli's hidden superpower right when you prepare or eat it. This compound is a key reason why your mom always told you to eat your greens. So, how exactly might sulforaphane help in the fight against cancer? Well, research suggests it works in several fascinating ways. Firstly, it's been shown to enhance the body's natural detoxification pathways, helping to neutralize and eliminate potentially harmful carcinogens before they can damage DNA. Secondly, studies indicate that sulforaphane may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, which is essentially programmed cell death in certain types of cancer cells. It can also reduce inflammation, which we know is a key driver in cancer development. It's like having a multi-talented defender within your system, working to keep cells healthy and resilient. So, steaming it lightly or eating it raw in salads can be great ways to maximize its benefits. Next on our list is the vibrant, crunchy, and often kid favorite carrot. While carrots are famously known for boosting eye health due to their vitamin A content, their benefits extend far beyond that, especially when we're discussing cancer prevention. The real star here is beta-carotene, the pigment that gives carrots their bright orange color. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant, and our bodies convert it into vitamin A as needed. Its role as an antioxidant is crucial because antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, a process that can damage cells and DNA, potentially leading to cancer. So every time you crunch on a carrot, you're not just getting a tasty snack, you're loading up on a protective compound. Numerous studies have explored the link between beta-carotene consumption and cancer risk, and the findings are quite promising. For instance, some research suggests that a higher intake of carotenoid-rich foods like carrots may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including lung cancer, breast cancer, and prostate cancer. The antioxidant properties of beta-carotene help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc in the body if left unchecked. By incorporating carrots into your diet, whether raw, steamed, or juiced, you're providing your body with a valuable tool to help protect your cells from the kind of damage that can initiate cancer development. It's a simple, delicious way to boost your body's defenses. Let's talk about a humble yet incredibly mighty food group: beans. Whether it's black beans, kidney beans, lentils, or chickpeas, these legumes are nutritional powerhouses, and one of their most significant contributions to cancer prevention is their incredibly high fiber content. We hear a lot about fiber, but its importance, especially for digestive health and reducing the risk of certain cancers, cannot be overstated. Fiber acts like a scrub brush for your digestive system, helping to keep things moving efficiently. This is particularly relevant when we consider colorectal cancer, as a healthy and regular digestive process can limit the contact time between potential carcinogens in waste and the colon lining. But the benefits of fiber from beans don't stop there. Soluble fiber found in beans can be fermented by beneficial gut bacteria in your colon, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and may play a role in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells in the colon. So by feeding your good gut bacteria with fiber-rich beans, you're essentially supporting an internal ecosystem that actively works to protect you. Beyond fiber, beans also provide plant-based protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them an all-around fantastic addition to a cancer-protective diet. Think about adding them to soups, stews, salads, or even making bean burgers. Now for some of the most delicious and visually appealing foods on our list. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. These vibrant little fruits are not just a treat for your taste buds. They are packed to the brim with powerful antioxidants and phytochemicals that have shown significant promise in cancer prevention. The deep, rich colors of berries are a telltale sign of their high antioxidant content, particularly compounds like anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and resveratrol. These antioxidants are like the body's personal defense squad, working tirelessly to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules we talked about earlier that can contribute to cancer development. The way these antioxidants in berries work is, honestly, pretty multifaceted. They can help neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and some studies even suggest they can inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells and interfere with the processes that allow tumors to grow and spread. For example, ellagic acid, found in strawberries and raspberries, has been studied for its ability to slow the growth of certain cancer cells and help detoxify certain cancer-causing substances. Adding a handful of mixed berries to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even just enjoying them as a snack is an easy and incredibly enjoyable way to arm your body with these potent cancer-fighting compounds. Nature really has packed a punch in these small fruits. Let's move into the spice rack for our next superfood, cinnamon. This wonderfully aromatic spice, beloved in everything from baked goods to warm drinks, offers more than just delightful flavor. It packs some serious health benefits, including potential anti-cancer properties. One of the key ways cinnamon is thought to exert its protective effects is through its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. Chronic inflammation is increasingly recognized as a key player in the development of many chronic diseases, including cancer, as it can create an environment that's conducive to cancer cell growth and proliferation. Cinnamon contains compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which gives it its characteristic flavor and aroma, and is also responsible for many of its health benefits. Research, primarily from lab and animal studies so far, suggests that cinnamon extracts may help reduce inflammation, act as powerful antioxidants, and even interfere with the growth and spread of cancer cells. Some studies have indicated that cinnamon could potentially inhibit tumor growth and protect DNA from damage. While more research in humans is definitely needed, the existing evidence is compelling enough to consider cinnamon a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. Sprinkling it on your oatmeal, in your coffee, or adding it to savory dishes not only enhances flavor, but might also be giving your body an extra layer of defense. It's a simple swap with potentially powerful benefits. Next up, let's talk about nuts, a fantastic source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and important micronutrients. While many nuts offer significant health benefits, when it comes to cancer prevention, Brazil nuts deserve a special mention due to their exceptionally high content of selenium. Selenium is an essential trace mineral that plays a crucial role in several bodily functions, including supporting our immune system and acting as a powerful antioxidant. It's a component of enzymes called selenoproteins, which help protect cells from oxidative damage, a key factor in cancer development. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can provide you with more than the recommended daily intake of selenium. The link between selenium and cancer risk has been a subject of considerable research. Some studies suggest that adequate selenium intake is associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including prostate, lung, and colorectal cancer. Selenium's antioxidant properties mean it can help protect DNA integrity and may also enhance the body's immune response against cancer cells. It's also thought to play a role in regulating cell growth and apoptosis, or programmed cell death, of abnormal cells. While Brazil nuts are selenium superstars, other nuts like walnuts and almonds also offer their own unique blends of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial phytochemicals. So including a variety of nuts in moderation is a great strategy for overall health. Last but certainly not least on our list today is extra virgin olive oil, a true cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is consistently ranked as one of the healthiest dietary patterns in the world and has been associated with lower rates of chronic diseases, including cancer. The magic of high-quality extra virgin olive oil lies in its rich composition of monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, and a wealth of bioactive compounds, including polyphenols and antioxidants like vitamin E. These components work synergistically to provide a range of health benefits, and its potential role in cancer prevention is a significant area of ongoing research. The polyphenols in olive oil, such as oleocanthal, have demonstrated potent anti-inflammatory effects, similar in some ways to ibuprofen, and chronic inflammation, as we've discussed, is a known risk factor for cancer. Furthermore, the antioxidants in olive oil help protect cells from oxidative stress and DNA damage. Studies have linked higher olive oil consumption, particularly as part of a Mediterranean-style diet, with a reduced risk of certain cancers, notably breast and digestive system cancers. Opting for extra virgin olive oil is key, as it's less processed and retains more of these beneficial compounds. Using it in salad dressings, for light sautéing, or drizzling it over cooked dishes is a delicious way to incorporate its protective properties into your meals. So, there you have it. 7 incredibly powerful foods that current research suggests can play a really valuable role in helping to lower your cancer risk. From the sulforaphane in broccoli to the antioxidants in berries and the healthy fats in olive oil, each of these foods brings something unique and beneficial to the table. I truly hope this breakdown has given you some practical ideas on how you can start incorporating more of these nutritional champions into your daily meals. Remember, every healthy choice you make is a step in the right direction, contributing to your overall well-being and resilience. Now, it's incredibly important for me to emphasize, as I always do, that no single food is a magic bullet or a guaranteed cure against cancer. A healthy diet is just one piece of a much larger puzzle that includes regular exercise, avoiding tobacco, maintaining a healthy weight, and regular medical checkups. However, adopting a dietary pattern rich in these types of whole, nutrient-dense foods can significantly contribute to reducing your overall risk and supporting your body's natural defense mechanisms. It's about making consistent, informed choices that build a foundation of health over time. If you found this information helpful and you're interested in learning more ways to take control of your health through smart, science-backed choices, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other health topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks so much for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.